Sri Krishna Devaraya. Krishna Devaraya was born to Nagala Devi and Tuluva Narasanayaka. The Tuluva dynasty under Vijayanagar Empire was founded by Sri Krishna Devaraya's father, and Krishna Devaraya was the third ruler in this dynasty. Krishna Devaraya is also known as Andhra Bhoja and Kannada Rajya Ramana in honor of his victories and conquests of land in the Krishna Tungabhadra basin. Krishnadevaraya was a great fighter and won his greatest victory against the Bahmani sultans. He annexed the Raichur Doab area and consolidated his position as the strongest king in the south. Krishnadevaraya, the king of the Vijayanagara Empire, reigned over most of the South Bharat in the 16th century. His rule extended over parts of present-day Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and northern Tamil Nadu. He was a just and able statesman and a crafty general. He was a worthy opponent to the Bahmani kings and to the Portuguese, who were in their quest to expand the boundaries of their empire. Krishnadevaraya had in his courts poets of great renown. He had a prime minister, Timarasu, who gave him wise counsel through his 2-decade-long reign. Another gem in the court of Krishnadevaraya was Tenali Rama, who was famous for his wit and satire. He built the Vittalaswamy temple and the Hazar Rama temple in the Hoysala style of architecture. He was a staunch devotee of Lord Tirumala of Tirupati and is reputed to have donated a jewel-studded golden sword to the Lord at Tirupati. Krishnadevaraya took active steps to promote agriculture by building dams and irrigation canals. He set up a system of provincial government with himself as the absolute head and with trusted aides as governors of smaller provinces. Krishnadevaraya encouraged foreign trade and collected revenue in the form of custom duties and taxes from the Portuguese traders. Some of the legacies from Krishnadevaraya's time include ceremonies like Dashera and the architectural progress by way of countless temples being built and restored. Vijayanagar proved to be the custodian of Bharatiya culture. In South Bharat, Vijayanagar started a new era by setting up a modern city with major town planning, which included drainage system, canals, irrigation systems, and many more, of which some are functional even till date.